Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Liaquat from TaskforceGLM. August 2022 saw the worst flooding that hit Pakistan. I remember coming with myself and Zia from Islamic Relief. 33 million people were affected. That's 1/3 the size of Pakistan that got covered with floodwater. 2 million homes were destroyed as part of that flooding. The numbers of people are supposed to be around 2,000 that died. 1 year later, mashallah, we're back. The greenery is returning. With your help, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we've been able to help rebuild some of these homes. We're now in one of the villages that was actually destroyed. It was flooded. These homes that you see around me were not here. It was just destruction. We've been building these homes on 3-foot like plinths, on concrete structures, so that they can withstand any flooding that'll come. The homes are built on top of this. They're built as 13-foot by 13-foot shelters. Last year we talked about how hundreds of families were queuing up to go to one toilet. There were all sorts of obvious health risks. There was safeguarding risks as well. Now what we've got is, mashallah, we've got a buffalo as well for each of the families. And we've got their own toilets. We're trying to give people hand pumps again, water pumps, so they can actually get clean drinking water. I myself earlier on did wudu, mashallah, with one of the pumps that was set up for this village. Someone's gone and planted a neem tree in this village. It's going to take a long time to grow, but it's a symbol of hope for them. It's a symbol of a new start for them. And I love the way that they've protected us. We did the fundraising dinner, we did the call to action, and you guys came forward. You gave your donations to help build these structures behind me. Solid, concrete structures built to withstand future floodings. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
अच्छा लग रहा है, खुशी हो रही है। बच्चे हैं हमारे छोटे छोटे, इस वक्त छत के नीचे बैठेंगे बरसात में।
Look at that, mashallah. Yeah, Jazakumullah khairan. Once again, this is thanks to the donations that you guys have been giving. We wanted to give you some kind of feedback so that you could understand where the money went and what happened to the families that we were trying to help. All of this is happening to try to help them rebuild their lives. Slowly, look at the children behind me. Slowly, the lives of these people are being rebuilt. Thanks to what you guys donated. You might not remember it now. You might not remember what you gave. You might not remember some of the fundraisers that we did. We called out to you and you provided. And we took that money with the grace of Allah, with the support of our partners. We built these homes and we tried to rebuild the lives for these people. And this is the proof of what we did. Jazakumullah khairan with your support.